India, good evening. Thanks for joining us on Times Now. The mask is off and it's down to blatant polarization this election season. Campaigning for a Samajwadi Party candidate in Uttar Pradesh's Farrukhabad, Salman Khurshid's niece, Maria Alam Khan, made an appeal to the Muslim community to do vote jihad. Her words, not mine. She said, बहुत अकलमंदी के साथ, बहुत जज्बाती ना होके, बहुत खामोशी के साथ, एक साथ होके वोटों का जिहाद करो क्योंकि हम सिर्फ वोटों का जिहाद कर सकते हैं. It did not end there. She then went on to call for the ostracization and the boycott of those Muslims who supported BJP's sitting MP from Farrukhabad, Mukesh Rajput. She said, and I'm quoting, उन मुसलमानों का हुक्का पानी बंद होना चाहिए, unquote. And sitting right there at the campaign event for Samajwadi Party candidate Nawal Kishore Shakya was none other than former UPA minister, Congress veteran Salman Khurshid and his niece Maria Alam. They've both been booked for denigrating religious ideas. But first, listen to this divisive vote appeal.
बहुत अकलमंदी के साथ, बहुत जज्बाती ना होके, बहुत खामोशी के साथ, एक साथ होके वोटों का जिहाद करो क्योंकि हम सिर्फ वोटों का जिहाद कर सकते हैं और इस संघी सरकार को भगाने का काम कर सकते हैं. बहुत शर्म आती है जब मैंने आज ये सुना कि कुछ मुसलमानों ने आज यहाँ पर बैठ के मुकेश राजपूत की मीटिंग कराई. मुझे लगता है समाज से उनका हुक्का पानी बंद कर देना चाहिए. इतने मतलबी मत बनो कि बच्चों की जिंदगियों से खेलो, हमारे बच्चों की जानों से खेलो.
India bloc, especially Congress and Samajwadi Party, are on the back foot over the vote jihad appeal. The Congress is desperately trying to distance itself from the comment, and the BJP, on the other hand, is accusing the India bloc of standing with jihadis.
मतलब पहले जिहादियों के साथ इंडिया अलायंस कहा और अब जिहाद की करे इंडिया अलायंस बात. ये तो दिखता है साफ साफ. प्रधानमंत्री जी ने तो पहले ही बताया था कि कांग्रेस और उनके साथियों से, उनके मैनिफेस्टो से मुस्लिम लीग की छाप नजर आती है. इसीलिए कभी बाटला हाउस एनकाउंटर के लिए आंसू बहाना, कभी रामेश्वरम कैफे ब्लास्ट के आतंकियों के साथ घुल मिल जाना, अफजल याकूब की पैरवी करना, चाहे वो 26/11 के जिहादी हो या और पाकिस्तान प्रायोजित आतंकवाद के जिहादी हो, उनकी पैरवी करना. तो आज ये जिहादियों के साथ भी है और जिहाद की बात भी करते हैं. मुस्लिम लीग मैनिफेस्टो एंड मुस्लिम लीग मैनिफेस्टेशन.
जनता इस समय कांग्रेस पार्टी के न्याय पत्र पर वोट दे रही है. अखिलेश यादव जी की सभा में जो लोग भी कोई वक्तव्य दे रहे हैं, तो किसी को भी गलत वक्तव्य देने पर कांग्रेस पार्टी उसका समर्थन नहीं करती है. हम जनता के मुद्दों पर चुनाव में हैं, बीजेपी हिंदू मुसलमान के मुद्दे पर चुनाव में है.
Let's open this up. Charu Pragya of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Shantanu Gupta, author, analyst, Nikul Patel, leader of the Congress Party, Atikur Rahman Saab completes the panel. Good evening, all of you. Nikul Patel, when the Prime Minister said that the Congress manifesto mirrors that of Muslim League, the Congress leaders, they came out and said, look, the Prime Minister is not reading the manifesto right. This is hate speech. He's trying to polarize. What is vote jihad?
Firstly, I would like to say that as you are quoting Honorable Prime Minister, definitely he is reading or decoding the lines between our manifesto and want to communalize these speeches by putting all Muslims, Mughals, and all this thing kind of word in his speech, rather focusing on about whatever you can say education, health, politics, infrastructure.
No, Dr. Patel, if that is the case, then why don't you counter PM's alleged hate with Mohabbat ki Rajniti that Rahul Gandhi preaches? What is vote jihad? How would you explain this? मैं समझना चाहता हूं, sir.
Vote jihad, whatever speech, if whatever you are telling about, if you see vote kranti, something like that. Suppose we want to vote for this democracy, and the perception of the speech may be something like that. Okay, chalo, we want to this time vote for our rights, vote for our fundamental things, vote for our basic needs that we are going to face the challenges. It's not like go and kill anyone or go and put the sword in someone's stomach
Okay,
or
so this is woke
killing
क्रांति.
someone.
और जो मुसलमान
वोट
बीजेपी
क्रांति.
कैंडिडेट के
वोट
लिए
की
वोट कर रहा है
क्रांति
उनका
लाना है,
हुक्का
ऐसा मैं
पानी बंद
समझता
कर दो.
हूं.
व्हाट इज दिस सामाजिक क्रांति? वॉक क्रांति इज दैट?
क्या क्या?
आगे उन्होंने ये भी कहा है कि जो मुसलमान बीजेपी कैंडिडेट के लिए वोट
आपकी
करे.
बात बहुत अच्छी है. हम सोचते हैं कि आप सब एक साथ मिलके एक ही चीज पे फोकस करके आपको एस्टैब्लिश करना है कि कांग्रेस ये सब चीजों को सपोर्ट करती है. हम बोल रहे हैं कि कांग्रेस हमेशा लोगों के मूलभूत मुद्दे पे काम कर रही है, लेकिन
अरे
आपको सब
डॉक्टर पटेल, डॉक्टर पटेल, 1 मिनट. अच्छा, आप तस्वीर देख लीजिए. नो नो नो, 1 मिनट.
कहना चाहते हैं?
मैं कुछ कहना नहीं चाहता हूं. दिख रहा है सर, सलमान खुर्शीद. हु इज सलमान खुर्शीद?
कांग्रेस मुस्लिम लीग.
हु डू यू थिंक सलमान खुर्शीद इज?
नहीं, आप प्रस्तावित कर दीजिए.
डॉक्टर पटेल, वो तो जनता का काम है. सलमान खुर्शीद स्टेज पे बैठे हैं, उनको लगा
तो
कि ये
जनता अपना काम करेगी ना, मैं कहाँ मना कर रहा हूँ.
नहीं, तो आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं फिर? द आई इन इंडिया, द सेकेंड आई इन इंडिया, INDIA was still inclusive, but you guys are changing it.
We are inclusive. We are inclusive in everything.
Okay,
right from
Charu
the beginning
Pragya,
of our regime.
this is a non-issue.
Right from the independence, we feel that we are working for all people.
Vote jihad is woke kranti. Charu Pragya, respond to it quickly.
Can I speak
Okay,
now,
Dr.
if you'll
Patel,
ask?
let Charu Pragya come in.
Can I request Dr. Patel to keep quiet now?
I am quiet, ma'am. I am literally quiet. The question was to me and I am speaking to that.
Great, sir.
Now it is your turn. You speak.
One after another, yes.
The screaming and shouting is not going to get him out of this one. They act. We are merely reacting. And this is classic Congress, Pranesh. I'll tell you how. You think you can just change the name, re-Christian something, and the meaning of it is going to change. They have always practiced vote jihad. Every day. They have just renamed vote bank ki rajniti into vote jihad. Just the way they renamed UPA into this so-called Indian non-alliance, which is falling flat on its face every single day. Them getting loud now is actually proof of the fact that they understand they lost this election when the first vote itself was cast. Only two phases of the election are done. Congress is already trailing so far behind that I'll be surprised if they get even 30 seats at the end of 7 phases. That's how bad it is. Every single day they put their foot in the mouth, and what are you trying to run away from? You are exposing your ideology and your thought process every single day. राहुल गांधी मां शक्ति को गाली देते हैं. यू कम अप विद एक्सप्लेनेशंस. आज आप वोट जिहाद को दूसरे नामों से बुलाना चाहते हैं. वेल, यू हैव डन इट फॉर जनरेशंस. Vote bank politics is basically what is vote jihad, and you've come out and said it now. हुक्का पानी बंद कराने की बात कर रहे हैं. एक तरफ आप संविधान की बात करते हैं, दूसरी तरफ अपने मैनिफेस्टो में शरिया लॉ लाने की बात करते हैं. And why wouldn't we read between the lines when you don't have the courage to write between the lines? Tell me, what do you mean by personal laws? Which personal law are you going to make stronger? It is obviously the Muslim personal law. Have the courage to say it.
Shantanu Gupta.
आपके मुंह से संविधान शब्द अच्छा नहीं लगता है.
Okay, let me bring in Shantanu Gupta. Shantanu Gupta, you know, you have to give it to Dr. Nitul Patel. You know, it takes something to come up with an explanation like this. I asked him what is vote jihad. He said vote jihad is vote kranti.
See, I think we all should sympathize
I'm
with
not the only
Dr.
one who's
Patel, and
laughing.
we all
Everybody
should
who's watching is
sympathize
laughing.
with
Sorry,
Dr. Patel.
Shantanu.
We all should sympathize with Dr. Patel and any Congress pravakta, because they have to daily defend the indefensible, right? I think I just Googled jihad, and any person will do, and the first line that comes up: war against any non-Muslim to establish the religion of Islam. We have seen love jihad, land jihad, that very common, and in a state of UP where Yogi Adityanath ji has curbed land jihad and love jihad to a quite an extent, right? And when someone is asking love jihad, to karna hi padega. And I think now it's very clear, Pranesh, in the first 2 rounds they've realized that कि हमारी जो 40-50 सीटें उसको ही बचा लें तो बहुत बड़ी बात है. Even they're hardly getting any seats. So they are going back to their original which Chacha Nehru and Indira Gandhi taught them: appease the Muslims and get their vote. That's the only vote bank they're left with. So they're appeasing their vote bank. So I'm not surprised, I think. And we are seeing multiple signals. Not here. Their manifesto itself was minority. Started with minority, ended with minority. Right? Now what Salman Khurshid is, sessions from outside India is coming. His daughter is speaking कि भाई जिसका हुक्का पानी बंद कर देंगे. So I think we will get the Muslim vote, and that's the only couple of seats they're eyeing. In UP they're trying 1 or 2 seats where Muslim is more than 40%, 45%. I think it's evidently clear now.
Atikur Rahman Sahib, you know, we've been on many debates together where we've discussed intolerance, and there's an ecosystem in our country, you know, that at the drop of a hat tries intolerance. I want to know, where is that brigade today? They're not out on Jantar Mantar. I haven't seen anybody, marching with a candle. There's no outrage on what has been said there in Farrukhabad. Vote jihad is one thing. The other is a boycott threat. हुक्का पानी बंद कर दो का क्या मतलब है? ये कौन सी क्रांति है?
So Pranesh, you should explain to the people then that Congress Mukh Bharat kya ostracization nahi tha? Was that not boycotting the entire party? The entire party, which is a recognized political party by the Election Commission of India, which is recognized by the law of India, calling for a Congress Mukh Bharat, is that not ostracization? Now, calling for a jihad against low voter turnout, you mean to say that you are misguiding the people by the word jihad? It's a struggle against anything which is negative in our society. And today the low voter turnout calls for a voter jihad, that come in large numbers and vote out a party which is a party of rapists.
No, Atikur Rahman, 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute. Atikur Rahman, sir, I have great regards for you. I just want to understand this. Are you justifying, vote jihad by saying that, look, the voter turnout was low, tomorrow they will invoke Karbala, वो बोलेंगे सर तन से जुदा बाहर निकलो, voter turnout कम है. One has to draw a line, sir.
Yes. Against the enemies of the society, the predators of the society, the rapist element amongst the politicians. We need to call out a struggle against them.
It's as bad as saying
jihad is a struggle against anything negative in the society. Are you opposed to this?
Said, right?
Okay.
We will
ostracize Muslims who vote for BJP. 1 minute. Ostracize Muslims who vote for BJP. अब इसका what would you Atikur Rahman sahab, 1 minute sir, 1 minute, calm down Atikur Rahman sahab, calm down sir. The second part of the statement, Atikur Rahman sahab, ostracize Muslims who vote for BJP. What is this?
Yeah, we will ostracize all those people who are with the rapist BJP politicians. Is it something bad, Pranesh? You should stand with us. We need to ostracize them. We need to eliminate them.
I can't believe it, that Atikur Rahman,
what happened
an Islamic scholar, so he likes to call himself, is justifying this. Shantanu?
I think I can only express my surprise and disappointment that they have to defend the indefensible. They can, and I heard that there's already a charge sheet or a case against her filed. I think her name is Maria Alam Khan, right? There's a case against her. So police is taking a cognizance. I'm sure election commission will take the cognizance. But on your channel, they are defending. They can also say, maybe this is not our statement. This might be individual statement, but they're defending it. They're defending it in here. So now I think tomorrow onwards, I'm sure Rahul Gandhi will say the same. Where Rahul Gandhi will say the same word in every speech now, then he should say it. If you're justifying it, I'm challenging Rahul Gandhi that tomorrow, because Nikunj Patel is advising you on your channel that this is a perfectly fine thing. So tomorrow, Congress official line is that the whole country will go for love jihad. That's I'm getting from the session what Nikunj Patel, the official Congress spokesman, saying that tomorrow Rahul Gandhi will say love jihad in all of his rallies.
No, the trouble is that Dr. Patel is justifying this, saying that there is nothing wrong. This is woke kranti. And is actually accusing the BJP of spreading hatred.
Rahul Gandhi,
so Rahul
Gandhi should use it, right? If it's the best phrase available.
Charu, you have the last word, then we take a break.
So this is nothing new for the Congress party, because do you remember Surjewala ji earlier had called every single person who votes for the BJP Rakshas. He actually used the term Rakshas. They are just taking it one step further. Now they are saying हुक्का पानी बंद कर दो बीजेपी के लिए कोई वोट करता है तो कहाँ गई आपकी आजादी की बात है? Where is the freedom to vote where anybody chooses to vote? What about the constitution? The fact is you only change the name and nomenclature. Your ideology has always remained the same. UPA became India Alliance and now vote bank has become vote jihad. No, we are not scared. You are the one who's speaking like this. You are the one who's lashing out like this in such a negative, horrible manner when you go around shouting Mohabbat ki dukaan. You say Mohabbat ki dukaan and you dish out hatred every single step, every single day. Deal with it. Deal with the votes, because that is what is going to keep you quiet
for
further
the
on.
elimination of the rapist BJP politicians.
By
Do you
calling
have
for
a
vote
problem
jihad.
when one person speaks?
No, by
Okay,
calling for
really?
vote jihad.
Really?
For that, we have
This is
courts
the
in
way
our
they
country,
talk.
sir.
Yes,
Do you
vote
want me to
jihad,
get into the details
jihad
of how many
against-
Congress
jihad against
leaders
BJP,
are caught in how
jihad
many
against
sexual harassment
predators,
cases and rape cases?
Jihad against
all
BJP.
negative
One
elements
minute.
within the
Jihad against
BJP.
BJP.
Jihad
Well,
against
Atikur
BJP.
Rahman, on one side you are
Jihad
preaching
against
tolerance. Here
unemployment.
you are calling for jihad against
What are
BJP.
you
What is jihad
objecting
against
to?
BJP?
You call it a
No,
struggle.
what is jihad
You
against
call it a
BJP?
youth, Charu.
Atikur Rahman,
Charu, you call it
Atikur
a
Rahman,
youth.
what is jihad against
You
BJP,
call
sir?
it a youth. You
Siding
call it
with one community
how-
and one community.
how
What is
Sri
jihad
Krishna
against
Dr.
BJP?
Just said that
Or
we
jihad
need
against
to
the RSS?
eliminate
About
all
secularism
such people
and then expose
who-
yourself so
No, all
early.
such people the courts
who
will
are
take
the
care of.
youths
Screaming on
this
television.
world.
Atikur Rahman, all such
The
people the
youths
courts will
of
take
the
care
world
of.
need to be
This is,
eliminated by a
this is a
vote, by a
dangerous,
youth.
it's a dangerous and divisive
By a
call.
word.
Let's not
By a word.
justify this,
We
please.
need to kill them
We've-
politically.
Doesn't cut ice, sir, doesn't cut ice.
It's not a
We've run out of
killing.
time. I thank all of you, Charu Pragya, Shantanu Gupta, Atikur Rahman, Nikul Patel for joining us. Taking a quick break. On the other side, Himanta Biswa Sarma, the Assam Chief Minister, has spoken on the reservation row and the fake videos.